Hey, so let's get started with our lead project. So all you have to do is open up your Google Sheets, go into your Google add-ons, lead project, start lead project. And the moment you start that, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is create master. And the easiest way to do that is just click on that button. There's nothing nothing else that you need to do. So, but I would want you to open your Google Drive over here, because what it's going to do is create a sheet in there, and I'll explain what that is. So let's go ahead and click on create master. This is after you subscribed. If you signed up, it's free for you to sign up. Once you've signed up, you've got subscribe button here. Click on create master. It's gonna do its thing, and as soon as it's done doing its thing, it's going to give you a tick mark over here. The first create master takes a while because it's not just creating one sheet, it's actually trying to create two different sheets. So the moment these sheets are created, you'll be able to start doing your stuff. Now here's another thing, that once you create a template of a full executed sheet, for example, something like that. So let's say you created a project and you know that this is your project and you only need 4 or 5 different things in there. You can easily create that and keep that as your template, so that next time you want to do that, you just go and pick that template up and you never ever have to redo the whole thing again. So you've got your LP master. So if you go into your Google Drive, you'll see that it's created a folder called lead project in your Google Drive. So when you click on that, you'll find the 2 master sheets. Now these are your master sheets. You can move them out to another folder on your Google Drive if you wanted to, but after you have connected them and after you have edited them and made changes to them. Because once that is done, it will then always use those sheets. But just make sure that you don't end up deleting those sheets, because then it won't be able to create your budget, because budgets are both budgets are dependent on both the sheets. So these are your master sheets which you need, and then all we have to do is click on LP master, and the moment you click on LP master, it'll take you back to the same folder. Just in case you don't have that open, I got it open just in case. So now your first protocol is to double click on your master sheet, double click on your contact master, and fill those details out. And to create a budget, it's very simple. Once you've done those 2 things, all you'll have to do is select how many lines would you want in your first section of your budget. So each one of these is a section. So if I collapse all of them, each one of these is a section. So there's a 5 section, which is this one. There's a 10 section, then there's a 15 section. I'm not sure if I have one here. Okay, I have a 15 section, and then there's a 20 section. The reason is that we wanna control how big the sheet gets, so that it stays optimized, and and all the calculations happen really fast. So that is the reason we have that, and we'll get into all those details in the next video.